all you have to do is take off these four. There's two here, one here. This will come out. You're gonna have to pop these three. This will come out, and then you'll have the wire exposed underneath this. You're gonna have to take care of this screw here, this one over here. This is just pop-up locks, so this will slide right out and you'll be exposed to the wires here, and I'll show you while I'm doing it. So that's about it. There you go, guys. There you have it. Life easy. Awesome. Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I've got a 2010 BMW 5 Series E60. My trunk lid did not open, and I had to actually crawl through my seat in order to, unlock it first and then get to the emergency opener. So I just wanted to show you the culprit of it. My inside button wasn't working, my key wasn't working, and also my handlebar is not working. So I went to this part, saw all the wiring. The wiring was passing through, and then there's this metal part. The wiring goes through inside. You cannot get them out. So all you gotta have to do is there's like two clips for it. Let me show you. Okay, so there's two white clips. Just take them out. It will give you space to bring the wires more out on this side. And take a look how bad it was. Look at this. I've got in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wires, which were totally dead, literally into two pieces. So this could give you a cause of malfunction of your light at the back. It could be anything related to the back side, literally. And there was only one single wire, which was good. Everything else was broken. So you can see how vital it is that we gotta fix this. And that's about it. I mean, I'm just soldering it right now, all the wires, and put them together, and I should be all good to go. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, here's my stuff which I'm working on right now. So here it is. The culprits are right here. And if you're wondering, the trunk lid button one is this one right here. Is the straight yellow wire. And if you see this one broken, then you already found out which one is the trunk lid one. So here it is. It was a quick short video for those who were trying to get their trunk lid working, and this is about it. All right guys, enjoy. Thank you. So here's the final product after I patch the wires back. There you go. Now that works. Close it back again. I'll also show you with the key. Here it goes. Booyah. And I'll also show you this working from inside now. It's pretty snowy, but I had to do it because there you go. Okay, awesome.